Alright, how's everybody doing today? Back again with another video for everyone, and today what I have for everyone is another unboxing and first impressions video. Now, in the interest of speed, we're going to try and cover this one real quick, so let's dive straight in. So what I have here for everyone is my unboxing and first impressions of the Anker Soundcore Life P2 Bluetooth earbuds, alright? And this is another pickup in the 4 microphones overall well-rounded earbud series that I've been working on. So the primary feature of these earbuds is some really good battery life, along with, y'all can see it right there, 4 microphones, okay? So really good stuff. Yet again, this is another earbud with 4 microphones. So that's 1 microphone dedicated to the voice performance and 1 microphone dedicated to noise reduction. Alright? I've been having a lot of fun with this series, so let's go ahead and move on to this one. This is headphone or earbud number 3 in the series. Let's go. So starting off, let's talk about the overall packaging, then we're going to unbox this bad boy, and then we're going to get into my overall first impressions. Let's go. So talking about the packaging here, this is in typical Anker Soundcore fashion here. So you can see we got the black, we got the blue, and the white color scheme, and I have to say it's really nice. So up front you can see we got a nice picture of the earbuds here with some really nice and clever advertising. So they're advertising crystal clear phone call performance with these. Then you can see the model right here. So this is the Life P2, as you can see right there. Okay, got some company branding here. And then we got some highlighting features down here. So we got 40 hours including the charging case in terms of playback, alright. We have quick charging capabilities on board. So 10 minutes of charge should give us 1 hour of playback. We have IPX7 sweat and waterproofing on board, and we do have the Qualcomm aptX HD codec on here, so we should get some really good audio and bass performance as well with really low latency. So good stuff indeed. Alright, I already showed you this side of the box where they're advertising their 4 microphone setup, so that's 2 microphones on each earbud. Okay, flipping it over here, we just got some more branding with a nice slogan here on this side. So 10,000 people love their product. Didn't know that. Okay, flipping it to the back, we have some more specifications here. It's pretty much everything we already went over, but it also includes everything that comes in the box, and they are advertising a 1-step pairing process. So really good stuff there. And also they're advertising dual graphene drivers. So if this is anything like the Motas earbuds, which also had dual graphene drivers, those sounded great. And if these are anything like those, I'm expecting some really good overall sound quality, volume, and bass on these. They're also advertising 7 hours on a single charge and 40 hours including the charging case, which makes the charging case good for about 5 to 6 additional charges. Alright, if my math is correct. But overall, I have to say this packaging is really nice. And again, Soundcore and Anker did a great job on the packaging and presentation. Now let's get into this box. Now, as I've already done, I've only cracked all the tapes and seals. I've taken everything out of the box. I made sure that everything was included in the box. Then I charged up the earbuds and I charged up the charging case, and then I boxed everything back up just so y'all can see the unboxing experience. So let's get into this. Sliding everything out. Nothing else in the box there that I could see. I don't think I could see anything else either. Let's throw this off to the side. So in the packaging we have a bunch of manuals. Now we have, this is the safety and warranty manual right here. Then we have the user manual and the quick start guide right there. Then we have a thank you card along with a, how do we sound. And then we have a support and warranty booklet right here. Okay, throw this off to the side, and then we're greeted with the earbuds inside of the charging case. Now, out of the box, when you first get the earbuds, they do recommend that you charge them up fully, and you charge up the earbuds fully before use. All earbud manufacturers recommend a full charge of the buds and the case before your first initial use. Alright, and they also have some warning stickers here that tell you to remove the plastic tabs on the earbuds before you try to use the case. Alright, so I did indeed do that already. So here's the buds inside the case. Let's rest this down. Then we do have a quick start pamphlet here that walks you through how to get everything going. Alright, so front and back. Flipping that over, front and back. Throw this down here. Then we have the different size earbud tips in a nice presentatable fashion right here. That's really cool. I like that. And then we have our charging cable with a little bit of company branding on it. So that's really nice as well. And y'all can see this is USB-A right there to USB Type-C. All right. Really good stuff indeed. All right, and I do believe that goes over all of the packaging contents. Okay, let me rest this off to the side. And also, as I always recommend, you definitely want to take the time to go through the earbud tips so you get the best overall fit for comfort and longevity, as well as the best overall sound quality. So you definitely want to take the time to go through these earbud tips and find the best fit. All right. Okay, let's rest this off to the side as well. Okay, so real quickly now, let's take a look at the case. Let's take a look at the buds, and let's see how everything fits and get into the overall. Why are you trolling? Why are you trolling? She always trolling. Calm down. I didn't even say the G word. All right, so real quickly, we're gonna get into how the case looks, how the earbuds look, and then we're going to try them on and get into our overall first impressions of the fit and feel, and then we're going to wrap this video up. Now, we're not going to be going through the user manual on this one, but I will have everything you need to know thrown up in post in this video, and as always, we will go over everything you guys and gals need to know in the full review, so y'all stay tuned for that coverage, as well as the sound and fit demo as well. Alright, so let's get into this here. So checking out the case, we do have some really nice company branding right there. It just says Soundcore on it. Flipping it to the back. Okay, we do have some more specifications here. So it just shows you, it tells you the charging case here has a 700 milliamp hour battery on board. And then it gives you the model number for each earbud, okay? And in particular, the earbuds have a 55 milliamp hour battery in them. So between the buds and the case, we should get some pretty good overall battery life here. Then we got some company branding down here and some FCC information. That's it. Flipping it to the back, we do have our USB Type-C charging port, so that's really good to see. One cable to rule them all, USB Type-C all the things. That's what I like to see there. Then, flipping open the case here, you can see we're greeted with the buds inside of their charging case, and you can see the charging case is nicely branded right and left, so good stuff there as well. Good stuff indeed. Let's pop these out real quick. And you can see when you pop them out, they do automatically power on. And they connect up. And then they go into pairing mode. So you can see popping out the right and the left. They did automatically power on. It's synced up. And now you can see the right earbud is flashing here, indicating that it wants me to pair it up to my device. So really good stuff there. Super easy. Now, I'm hoping that these earbuds are not set up like the Anker Soundcore Liberty Neo, because out of the box with the Anker Soundcore Liberty Neo, it was set up in the master and slave configuration, and you did have to go through an extra step to set them up in independent mode. So hopefully after looking through the reading manual, we don't have to deal with that, and these are truly independent earbuds. But we're going to find out, and I'm going to let y'all know via some notes thrown up in post or in the full review. Alright, so y'all stay tuned for that. Okay, but overall, I really do like this case. It's a little bit chunky, but overall, it's not a bad case. The lid is a little light, and it doesn't lock into place, but it's not bad. It's not bad at all. Alright, now let's take a closer look at the buds real quick. Alright, so checking out the buds here, you can see we do have one microphone down here, and we do have another microphone right there. I do apologize if it's a little hard to see. Got the company branding here, and is this a clicky button? Oh yes, oh, God is good. A clicky button, finally. So no touch controls to fuss with or fight with whatsoever on these. I like that already. You gaining cool points already, Soundcore, good stuff. Flipping it over, we do have our left and right branding right there. Now I do apologize, it's kind of hard to see, but this is the right earbud. We got our charging pins there, and then you can see the inner earbud tip right there. Let me get that to focus, boom. So really good stuff. Let me try this on real quick. So dropping this in. Oh, that is a really nice fit. And you know, in terms of passive noise cancellation, it's very open. I can still hear myself talk very nicely. So we got the right end. Let's do the same thing for the left. So again, checking it out. Company branding, touch sensitive, clicky button here. Really nice stuff. Okay. Microphone right there. One of the microphones right there. Another microphone right there. I hope y'all can see that a little bit better right there. Then flipping it over, charging pins, branding. So this is the left earbud. If you can make that out right there, there's the left earbud and the inner earbud tip. Really good stuff, really nice and lightweight. Okay, let's drop the left in. All right. Okay, yes. Alright, so they're in. Let me make sure it's nice and snug. Okay, they're in there. Okay, let's do a quick shape test. Okay, so we're getting a little bit of movement, but they're not moving around to the point where they're gonna slide out. So I may have to adjust the earbud tips to get that absolute perfect fit. But in terms of the overall sound isolation on these, it's actually really good. Now, I can still hear myself talk a decent amount, but I'm wondering if when I put on some music or I connect these up, if it's gonna be blocked out. So we're gonna find out. I'll let y'all know in the full review in the fitting and sound demo. But first impressions of the overall fit and feel is actually pretty good indeed. Now, real quickly, let me take a quick selfie here so y'all can see what they look like in my ears, and we're gonna do the two profiles. So we're gonna do the front profile and we're gonna do the side profile, and they just powered off because I didn't pair them up. But yeah, let's take these selfies real quick. Pixel 2 XL on deck along with the Pixel 1 XL right here. Fire this camera up real fast and flip to the front facing camera. Boom. And let's go ahead and snap these selfies real quick. Let's go. So front profile, Payal, and side profile, Payal. Alright, let's let these process real quick. Alright, and let me show them to you real fast. Okay, I had it on portrait mode. Okay, but it is what it is. So front profile right there. And I gotta say, that looks really discreet. Now, you can barely tell that I have them in my ears. You can kind of see it right there. And you can't see this one at all because of how my head is turned towards the camera. But really discreet in my opinion. Now, side profile right there. And that looks pretty good. So yet again, this is another STEM style earbud. Not bad at all. I hope somebody answered that phone. Heard the phone ringing. Alright, but good stuff indeed. And the overall fit, as I said, is really good. So I can't complain there either. Alright, so good stuff. Now let's pop these out real quick. Alright, ooh, okay. Nice fit there. No problems whatsoever with these. Alright, so that pretty much does it for this one, guys and gals. But real quickly, before I get up out of here, I just want to throw up the button controls for the Bluetooth earbuds. So I'll have that thrown up in post right now, as well as the phone call controls for the earbuds. I'll throw that up directly after, right now. Boom. Let me give y'all about a minute or so to check that out. Okay, check that out, check that out. I wish I had some elevator music. I'll let y'all read that. I gotta give everybody at least 30 seconds. Okay, at least 20 seconds. Alright, 15, because we're impatient. 15. Or, you know what? You could just pause and read it at your own speed. There we go. So moving on now, I just want to let y'all see how much I was able to pick these up for. So I did take the screenshot for y'all. That's why we got the Pixel 1 XL on deck. Let me show y'all this right here. So I was able to pick these up from Amazon yet again, and you can see at checkout the retail price was $49.99 right there, and then after taxes you can see it was about $3.50 in taxes. After taxes the total came up to $53.49. Let me get this copy text out of here so y'all can see that better. So there's the retail price before taxes, and here's the retail price after taxes. So for that price, I gotta say, I'm hoping that these are really, really good. Really good indeed. Especially considering how good my overall experience was with the MPOW M9. So I'm expecting really good things out of these. Alright, so that pretty much does it, everyone, for this real quick unboxing and first impressions video of the Anker Soundcore Life P2 Bluetooth earbuds. As always, if you guys and gals enjoyed my video and or you found it helpful in any shape, form, or fashion, please help your boy out by giving the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. If you would like to see more content like this, please feel free to hit that subscribe button down below and make sure you click off that notification bell icon right next to it so you get notified when I publish new videos. That being said, if this video piqued your interest and you would like to know where you can pick up these earbuds at some really great prices, all the links to where you guys and gals can pick these bad boys up at some really great prices will be available down below in the video description. So as always, if your interest is piqued, down below in the video description will be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. Recording this whole video here today, I am using the rear-facing primary 12 megapixel camera on the Samsung Galaxy S7 Active, and this video is being recorded in 720p resolution at 30 frames per second. And capturing all the audio here today, I am using my Boya mini shotgun style microphone to record all the audio. So please let me know what you think of the overall video quality, as well as what you think of the overall audio quality down below in the comments. All feedback, as always, is greatly appreciated. And as always, keep it respectful, please. Alright? That being said, my full review for these should be out in about 2 weeks from the posting of this video, along with my fit and sound demo, so you guys and gals be on the lookout for that, because we're going to literally take you through everything that you need to know and let you know if these earbuds are worth picking up based on my overall opinion. So y'all stay tuned for the up and coming content, and I will catch you guys and gals in my next video. Have a good one, everybody. We are out of here. Peace.